Graphic of the CSDB logo, Excellence in Service, Colorado School for the Deaf and the Blind, established 1874. The CSDB logo with a collage of 12 videos of American Sign Language storytellers in the background zooms out and fades to a solid white background. Title: ASL Stories for Families. Photographs of the book's cover and the ASL storyteller are on screen.
Click, Clack, Splish, Splash. Author Doreen Cronin, illustrator Betsy Lewin, ASL storyteller Cody Caracas.
Hi, my name is Cody Caracas. I'm going to sign you a story. The title is Click, Clack, Splish, Splash. Written by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. One farmer sleeping. Next to the farmer, there's an aquarium with lots and lots of fish. Here comes the duck. 2 feet creeping. The duck says, shh. 3 buckets piled high. 4 chickens standing by, looking in the window. 5 cows type a note. 6 goats load the boat. 7 pigs lead the way, holding their buckets. 8 sheep decide to stay. 9 mice leave a note on the door. Gone fishing. All the animals go to the shore. 10 buckets lined up in a row. 10 fish ready to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One sleepy farmer rubs his eyes and wakes up to a fishy surprise. Now that the story is done, let's review our vocabulary words. Farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Mice, M-I-C-E, mice. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Surprise, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, surprise. On my hands, I have fingers. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many?
ASL Stories for Families.
Click, Clack, Splish, Splash by Doreen Cronin with illustrations by Betsy Lewin. Text copyright 2006, reprinted with the permission of Athenaeum Books for Young Readers and imprint of Simon & Schuster Publishing Division. All rights reserved. ASL storyteller Cody Caracas, narrator Pam Parker.
Produced by Logo, Colorado School for the Deaf and the Blind, 33 North Institute Street, Colorado Springs, Colorado 80903. Telephone 719-578-2100. www.csdb.org. Learning, Thriving, Leading. Made possible in part by improving literacy through school libraries program Title I Early Literacy Initiative Development. Produced 2007. Updated 2018. Family Literacy Pack Project, Deb Branch, Patty Rodruck, Diane Beard, Janet Rose, Kathy Bennett. Technical assistants, Bonnie Ottmar, Andrew Eck, Brandon Harrison, Brian Gross, Sean Levier, Christopher Slade, Austin Belaich, Jim Olson.